In 1974, when Daddy Dukes went raw, the chosen sperm to explore and reach the egg for sure. A child through the birth canal on an 9-month trap. Released on this wild earth, my generation hit worse. With my development arrested by the government. Younger niggas struggling, living life got me wondering. New shit I'm discovering. Yo son, I can't sleep, situation so deep. My niggas drowning in the streets, another rapist in store. And younger murderers walk, they got shit locked in a fort. $1.50 if you talks, verbalizing hard times, finding ways to recline. Dedicated to the rhyme, blood and shades genuine. I survive hard times, prime time. As I rewind my thoughts and reminisce, sipping OE courts. Rest in peace to my peeps who died up in the streets. Fuck Halloween treats, cause ain't shit sweet.
My life has changed, and I will never be the same. My life has changed, and I will never be the same.
Growing up on these Brooklyn streets, it was hard for black teeth to make these motherfucking ends meet. The first store that closed up got stuck, and if you didn't give me your cash, I put one in somebody's gut. I ran buck wild through these streets with this crew of individuals, committing crimes well performed like a ritual. Until one day my mom tried to send me upstate to Job Corps. I didn't know what the fuck for, so I pulled out my pals and called up the nigga Al. What's the deal, son? It's been a fucking long while. He said, Joe Black T, I had this dream about this cream. I'm going all off of mines by any fucking means. We grabbed our pen and pads and wrote about this world going mad and how times was getting real bad. But what we need to do is connect with them other two and make that dream you had come true.
I'm out the front door, don't wanna deal with this bullshit no more. What for? I'm ready to throw this heart on the floor. Back in the days, yo, Ty had it all. Women on call, sex and all, summer, winter, spring, and the fall. Then my moms broke out to get away from NY, no doubt. Then I settled down, made one girl a spouse. Should've known, couldn't replace moms. My heart rang the alarm, situation was the bomb. I roamed the streets, started smoking weed, drinking heinies, tapping heinies, writing words to rich beats. Became an everyday struggler, stereotyped the hustler, constant bugger. Resided with my father, frequently talked with my mother. Reactions crazy, revenge thoughts maybe. Asking what am I doing here? Someone come save me, cause I feel I got no purpose. Stability, no surface, just different type moods with an attitude nervous. And no one is here to maintain my mind frame. Now I'm doing shit I never did before.
Change. My life has changed, and I will never be the same. Change. The world has changed, and it will never be the same.
Brought up on green and patch, and never had no action. Every day I find myself in the same old-fashioned saddle. My same fucking Pumas and Lees, toe up at the knees, that would always squeeze. My buns, I have no funds, I'm young and dumb. Left school at 3 o'clock to face an eviction. In tears, as it appears, my crib for years has just been rented to the landlord kids. No rhythm, cause my rap was rather ass, surpassed third class, quick to stash when the photo flash. In contrast, I was labeled as an outcast, afraid to telecast. Cause chicks that tell me kiss their ass, low self-esteem. But mom don't get me clean, suede front, sporting. Payday's a madman dream. Chantel, my princess, she will live to be a queen. And as the moonbeam, me and my team will be counting cream.
Change, my life has changed, and I will never be the same. Change, the world has changed, and it will never be the same. Change, you should make a change, and you must never be the same. Change, evil deed has changed, and he will never be the same. Change, big mind has changed, and it will never be the same. Change, Mr. World has changed,
anything then from the mistakes of the past yet?
Still, it's all real, now what's the fucking deal? I'm hungry like a fucking meal. Something loose and ass out. I stay strapped for some lyrical combat. Raps most wanted, they got my microphone tapped. That's why they got me under pressure. Walking streets with a vest under my leather. Now my models, whatever's clever.
Meanwhile, tie shit on rappers like asses. Fuck you and your status. Shades will go classic before all you bastards. Some artists shit is so zinc. Most talk before they think. Undercover pretties and pink faking shit like lip sync.
Boom, rock a cop, nah. Boom. Position is a suit, Brooklyn shades in the room. Rotate like axis, maverick tactics that I practice. Push with faction, get your cat split backwards.
Since I'm doing like time on the wickedest mankind, I write the murder shit to make the legend list of my time. Flipping instrumentals, putting current and potentials, hijacking their waves, the sound travels continental.
Serpent subtitle, one strike is vital. You mad, go in, do idle, blast that ass off your motorcycle.
With deadly chemistry, for brothers who admire the SOBs. For the way we build on society. Check these lyrical lunatics from Bushwick. Word is born on the norm, my crew gets massive.
For real niggas never know what shades has concealed. So beat the ordeal, the skills we reveal towards your grill.
This is the time of survival wars. You're sure to get wet, cause when it rains it pours. This is the time of survival wars. You're sure to get wet, cause when it rains it pours. Nigga, this is the time of survival wars. You're sure to get wet, cause when it rains it pours. This is the time of survival wars. You're sure to get wet, cause when it rains it pours.
A chemical reaction hit the corners like a crash. Got blacks and their Latins fighting for the fashion. It's hectic, but in the streets I've learned to accept it. Although it's fucked up when I see a brother rested.
What up, boy? Approach and get smoked with this mad boy. Deployed Android, overjoyed. Now you unemployed. I'm all about the action and the real things. I chain bang, gang bang, slang. Come back like a boomerang.
Status, the baddest. Come on, yo, that's just that rap shit. Chocolate top fracture crews, watch them bitch like faggots. Out of sight, out of mind. Fall off, get left behind. Shade shine. Legal rap artists like fucking canines.
T-Black, this lyrical rhyme child. Who erased this rap trial? They got things locked down like Rikers out. It's deadly plans once this mic's in my hands. Poetical, incredible, capable to touch any man.
Never wanna hump, don't stutter, no mumble, don't love it. Crumble your title, smoke it in the front.
While bloods got you open, can't pass your arms are broken. Never saw smoking, I leave you motherfucking chest smoking.
You better check the man with the evilistic plan. 96, no tricks, I blow the brakes in the scam. So take precautions, duplication is a warrant. I catch you snoring, from cover blown like fire informants.
This is the time of survival wars. You're sure to get wet, cause when it rains it pours. This is the time of survival wars. You're sure to get wet, cause when it rains it pours. This is the time of survival wars. You're sure to get wet, cause when it rains it pours. This is the time of survival wars. You're sure to get wet, cause when it rains it pours. Nigga, aka Bosnia.
And I'm killing.